Guys, today we are launching the event with IFT where every participant will get a e-certificate. See, I sponsor the event, so we are the title sponsor for this event where you will get where everyone should benefit it. See, the winners always get a certificate, but what about every participant? So I always sponsor the events where everyone get a certificate. या सो सेम वे SMHRD का इवेंट हमारा लास्ट वीक ख़त्म हुआ, 2 दिन पहले ख़त्म हुआ, लास्ट वीक इवेंट था. टुडे वी आर ब्रिंगिंग इन IFT इवेंट. सो यू हैव टू मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान. सो इट्स अ बी प्लान कॉन्टेस्ट बाय IFT तमाशा विद इन द तमाशा this thing. So because of COVID-19, all these problems, a lot of problems have come up, but this also brings in the opportunity. For example, hand sanitizer industry, mask industry overnight is becoming popular. So you have to create a new company on anything where you see the opportunity, number one point, or any existing company you can see as a brand, as they can start a new business. For example, hotels. Now because the hotels were closed down, hotels started delivering the food outside. They started taking the laundry of the outside people. Same way you can recommend any industry that is called entrepreneur. Entrepreneur matlab within the company you do something new. For example, you have a dad ka business. If you're trying to do something innovation in the dad ki company, it become a entrepreneur within the company. Entrepreneur is something from you start something on your own. Okay, so you can become an entrepreneur or you become a entrepreneur, whichever way you want to play. So anyone who participate in this event, you have to register in the description box below. They have given a Google form that is from IFT, and you can participate in the event. And the event is open for 1 week, so you can participate anytime within 1 week. But today 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. I'll post in the link. We have the Rahul Dua comedy show. So the 20 entries will get the certificate, can participate in that event. So first 20 entries will participate, will get a free pass for that comedy show event. Otherwise certificate तो सबको मिलने वाला है. So e-certificate for everyone, and the first 20 early bird entries will get the event passes for that. So description box is a link. Please do participate. Second question, why should I participate? Why should I pay? Pay किसको करना है? पहली बात, there is nothing to be paid for. See, ये सारे certificate इकट्ठे करके रखो. Tomorrow, if you're going to any B school, a participatory certification from SMHRD, IIMs, IFT will hold the value. कल को यूज़ कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे पता नहीं, बट ये सब होना चाहिए. Most of the resumes have a 25, 40, 30 point resume. मतलब there should be 30 pointers in the resume. Extra curricular, academic record, ये वो करते करते total 30 points होना चाहिए. See, 10, 12, graduation 3 point हो गया. Projects, this, that, 30 points. So if you are running short of the points, so these events will help you. See, if you're going to IIM Ahmedabad, then or IFT itself, then even from IFT will not make that. अपने college पे क्या तो क्या उखाड़ लिया. But if you're going to any other college, like you're going to IIM Indore, IIM Lucknow, IIM Ahmedabad, then participate in IFT का event, it will add value to the resume. You have participated in the business plan, B plan contest. Yeah, so description box is a link. Please do participate. Every participant will get an e-certificate, and a certificate will come within 1 week. Yeah, after 1 week, let's keep a date for that. Let's say by 15th of December, yeah, 20th of December, you will get your e-certificate in your mailbox. So you have to just register and make a 100-word ka business plan, summary of a B plan. Yeah, they will not ask you the detail now. Just have to submit a summary. Which area you want to? चाय की टपरी खोल लिया, कुछ भी खोल. Now चाय की टपरी में चाय का टी स्टॉल. टी स्टॉल sound like a very stupid thing, but in Mumbai that's the next in thing today. Next क्या हो चुका है वो? Anybody in Mumbai, Pune, they know that Yole Chai. It's a overnight famous tea stalls. Started from very small shop and they are like zooming up everywhere. So any B plan, यार, it can be anything. कोई धंधा बड़ा, कोई राज मूवी जाना, कोई धंधा बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता. किसी को डायलॉग याद है राज का, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा. धंधा बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता, कुछ तो डायलॉग था. Same way, business plan is a business plan. All the best.